We're cooking at the garden today. It's darker than usual. But the grace, that's the camera. And the presentation was failed. But the recipe, the dish was perfect. Everyone loved it. Join us for some learning and fun here in Channel 1, where we grow, cook and share. Hello, good morning. Look what I'm doing here. I got lots of cold rice. Cold rice. And a pineapple. So how about making pineapple fried rice? Pineapple fried rice. I'll just tell you the rest of the ingredients later, but I'm sure you have them in your kitchen. I even have them in my shed. So let's prepare the pineapple. You might be wondering why I'm doing this to the pineapple. Why not just simply peel it and slice the fruit? Well, it's for the wow effect we need it for presenting later. Now I'm gonna use the pineapple to serve the fried rice. You don't have to do this. Just cut out or just slice the pineapple. If you don't have to do this. Okay. It's easier to use a smaller knife, but we are at the garden. We don't have everything. This still works, but with some challenge. My Manang Grace is here.
Hello. Who is it here?
Name is Manang na ito.
Yung pineapple kaya very healthy.
Okay.
I like it.
Oh, it's I hope you don't mind the jerky movements. We're rushing. This was filmed 15 minutes before lunch. Jalan, we're ready to work on the pineapple. Just slice it. We're just reserving the peel for serving later, as I've mentioned. So let's set this to aside for now, inside. Something I would do. Manang Grace is munching on the on the pineapple core. But I'll present to you the rest of the ingredients. I mentioned about the cold rice, of course. Soya sauce, patis, and mild curry powder. Optional, if you can tolerate the smell of aramang, add it. Mabaliman na ang man.
Yeah.
Mabalimpay?
Yeah.
Mabalimpay ka no, so we will add it. And you can use chicken or shrimps. We have shrimps. And the main sahog, the main flavor keeper to the rice. Jaran, eggs. I think we can start. I'll get the stove inside.
And the pineapple is I'm eating already.
Okay. Wait.
Ay, okay ni mo much. Ano yung pinagon?
Dat is ook over 2 uur. En als je hem dan net hebt, maar
No. Moet je dan?
iedereen staat ineens.
We'll be topping the rice with shrimps later, so it's good to cook them now, pre-cooked, and then just top them later, and that's to prevent them from being overcooked. They will become tough. That quick, almost real time. We don't want them to get tough, as I've said earlier. Dish out. I'll be using the same oil for the next step. We'll be frying eggs. Mo da? Sa pala. We can simply add the rice now, but we need to fry some garlic first, so I need a space. I'll be using the same pan for frying the garlic, but I want to keep the eggs away first. And since we're cooking at the garden, we're using our own harvest of garlic. And we're using the same pan, no washing. Because anyway, we'll be mixing the eggs later, so we're not contaminating the flavor. As you see, the garlic is now golden brown, and we've added the rice. I know this does not look good. The colors and the way it's made, it does not look good. But wait, give us a chance with the Madam Grace here.
Oh, that is good, oh.
Let's add, or let's give some flavoring. Soya sauce. Ang manan sa kon. Apo ko manan. No order necessary, but we add the patis or fish sauce. Now you understand why it doesn't have to be perfect white. And the curry powder. The proportions in the description box. Thanks to the curry powder, it looks better now. It looks a bit more attractive now. And it gets more attractive when we add the egg. It becomes yellower now. How about the pineapples now? The more yellow it becomes. Not to mention the flavor becomes richer now. A bigger wok should have been more convenient. But we are at the garden. We don't have everything we need. But yet we are able to prepare this. It's cooked and it's time to present. It's time to present it, I should say. Jara! Cooked at a shed with very simple ingredients. Pineapple fried rice. You can do it at home as well. Just bring it to my Madam Grace and Alex. Jara! It's here!
Wow! Wow!
That's part of the experience. But we have a reserve. Jara, look at that. Okay. And there's more. Jara.
Ilagay mo, ibanger nga lang sa.
Okay. I hope you enjoyed our video today and got inspired to make this at home or elsewhere, even at the garden, just like I did. See you on the next video.